While I was sleeping last night, I made $63. No job, no boss, no alarm clock. That's not a scam, that's not luck. It's a system, and by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how it works. But before I show you the system, let me take you back to where I actually started. 2 years ago, I was broke, exhausted, and working a 9 to 5 that barely covered rent. I was trading my time for money. 40 hours a week, sometimes more, just to stay afloat. And the scariest part, if I stopped working for even 1 week, the money stopped completely. Rainy night, walking home from another long shift, I had a thought that changed everything. What if my money could work, even when I wasn't? That's the real difference between active income and passive income. One trades hours for dollars. The other builds something once and gets paid again and again. So I spent the next few weeks researching. Not get-rich-quick schemes, real, boring, proven ways people build income on the side. I narrowed it down to 5 simple income streams. No big investment, no fancy degree, just consistency. Let me walk you through each one, exactly how I built it, and exactly how you can start today. Stream 1. Digital products. I took something I already knew how to do and turned it into a simple ebook. It took me 2 weekends to write. I sell it for $9. I made it once. It sells while I sleep, while I eat, while I do absolutely nothing. No shipping, no inventory, just a file delivered automatically every single time someone clicks Buy Truth 2, print-on-demand merchandise. I designed one simple t-shirt graphic in an afternoon. A company handles the printing, the shipping, and the customer service. I just collect the profit from each sale. Over time, I added more designs. Some months it's $10, some months it's $200, but it never asks me to clock in. Stream 3, stock photography. I take photos on my phone during walks and license them online. Every time someone downloads one for a website or an ad, I earn a few cents. Small, but it adds up faster than you'd think. Some of those photos are still earning me money today, from pictures I took over a year ago. Stream 4, an old YouTube video. I made it once, months ago, about something I was genuinely passionate about. It still gets views today, and every single view quietly puts a few cents in my pocket, whether I'm awake or asleep. Stream 5, dividend investing, a small amount every single month, into stocks that pay me just for owning them. It's slow at first, painfully slow, but like a tree, it keeps growing whether I'm watching it or not. Small rivers. Together they quietly became one steady flow of $2,000 a month. Now, I want to be honest with you, none of this happened overnight. It took months of small, boring, unglamorous effort before I saw real results. Here's the truth nobody tells you. Passive income isn't no work. It's work once, get paid forever. The real work happens in the beginning, building the thing. After that, the system carries the weight for you. Slowly, my life started to shift. Less time trading hours, more time actually living. I'm not rich, I'm not famous. I just stopped trading every hour of my life for a paycheck. And that gave me something money usually can't buy, my time back. Dinners I didn't have to rush. Mornings I didn't have to dread. Weekends that actually felt like weekends. Now, I know what you might be thinking. This sounds nice, but where do I even start? Here's my honest advice. Don't try to build all 5 streams at once. Pick just one. An ebook, a design, a photo, a video. Whichever one excites you the most, start there and only there. In 6 months, you won't recognize how far that one small seed can grow. I'm living proof it works. It's slow, it's not magic, and it takes patience, but it works. So tell me, which income stream are you starting first? Drop it in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.